Forget about recipes, you're a better cook than you think. Today, we're gonna make some sort of egg-baked thing. Shakshuka, chilaquiles, these are some dishes from around the world that use this technique. None of this is authentic, but I love making that style of egg dish. So let's get started. Spices. In this case, I'm gonna use garam masala. I have it, I wanna get rid of it, but you can use coriander or cumin, whatever spices you have in your drawer. Fat, I'm going olive oil. Aromatics, keep it simple, garlic, onion. Umami, keep it simple again. Tomato's gonna give you that umami, so I'm using old tomato sauce. Best way to get rid of it. That's like the jarred tomato stuff for all you Australians out there. Heat, I'm going hot sauce. Any type you got. I have a Mexican one, that's what I'm using. Herbs, I'm going parsley and fennel because that's what I have. You can use cilantro, basil, whatever you got. Sweet, I'm going raisins because I'm trying to get to the bottom of that thing. Salt, I'm going 2 types of salt. Sea salt, and I'm gonna top it with a bit of feta, which I consider seasoning because it is really salty. Crunch, here's a fun one. Great way to use old pita. Fry it up in a little bit of olive oil, it gets really crispy and nice. Sprinkle it over the top. Acid, I'm going lemon. So acid, you can go champagne vinegar, red wine vinegar, tamarind, whatever you want to do to get some acid going. Fat, of course, you can use coconut oil, you can use butter, whatever you want to use. Aromatics, jump in there with some bell peppers, jump in there with some fennel, whatever you got. Heat, you can use chili, you can use all sorts of things. Sweet, you can go honey, sugar, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to get rid of. Let's make this thing. So what's the point here? Go into your cupboards, use stuff you have. Only grocery shop if you absolutely need to. You got this.